Hey there! I'm going to offer you a quick introduction to an art movement known as Cubism. If you're new, please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art. Alright, let's get started. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish-born artist who, along with George Braque, invented a style of art known as Cubism, which is arguably the most influential art movement of the 20th century. Pulling inspiration from the simple geometric features of African masks, Cubist art attempts to portray the essence of an image by allowing the viewer to see an object from multiple angles and perspectives. Like all art movements, Cubism went through several phases. Its earliest phase is called Analytic Cubism and was prominent from 1908 to 1911. This type of Cubism breaks down and fractures an object into geometric shapes. Synthetic Cubism evolved from around 1912 onwards. This type of Cubism focuses on building a subject out of a multitude of geometric shapes. Although Cubism was initially developed by Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, many other well-known artists adopted and continued to develop this style. These artists include Robert Delaunay, Jean Metzinger, Diego Rivera, Pierre Mondrian, Juan Gris, and many, many more. If you'd like to learn how to make art in a Cubist style, check out my video tutorial, Picasso Portrait Lesson for Beginners, or Picasso Portraits, Cubism Drawing Step by Step. These tutorials are easy enough for kids to follow along, but adults will love them too. Visit my website, rainbowparrotart.com, if you'd like to join my live online classes for kids and adults.